I have yet another holster. This is a minimalist holster. I know if you've seen my other videos, I make a big deal about wanting to carry my accessories, but in fact I don't always carry my accessories, and so in this case I still want quick access, and I want to make sure that the Leatherman is secure. So that's what I have here. This is just, I think, 3 or 4 pieces. I have a cell phone clip. I have a car cell phone magnet mount. This piece here is part of a, it's used in construction. You can't just use the clip and the magnet, or you're going to knock your Leatherman off and lose it. You don't need a top and bottom. Well, you can have a top and bottom, but to minimize the weight, I have just this. I have not lost it at all getting in and out of my vehicle or rubbing it against anything. So this piece of metal here offers enough protection to keep it from getting knocked around. The magnet keeps it very, very, very secure. The extra magnet is there because the one thing that Leatherman doesn't do a great job of, one of the very few things, is it doesn't offer a pry bar. So I carry this little Gerber pry bar. They don't carry this model anymore, but it clips in there, and then the Leatherman clicks on top of it. And then because I have the little bit of magnet, I'm always opening tape in boxes at work, and it holds my little utility blade really, really well. And believe it or not, being flush, I've not lost that once. Getting out, sitting on my recliner, getting in and out of car seats, I've not lost this yet. So just being flush keeps it secure, and of course I just slip it off the end. But very, very minimal. Very pretty light. I mean, the tool outweighs it. It is substantial. You do feel it, but most importantly, I can slide it around up and down my belt for comfort. You know, I can lay on the couch to watch some TV and move it up here, or if the seatbelt doesn't fit right, I can move it around. I can do all sorts of things, but when I need it, I have access, and when I want to put it back, I put it back. It is very, very secure. Believe it or not, there's a lot of magnets in that cell phone mount, and I can squeeze it down and get it just so, and that's all I have.